Here's the rechargeable camping lantern in bronze. It's very remarkable. I'm really impressed with it. It has two ways to carry it. This one is for the flashlight here. The lantern pulls out like so. It's very bright, and you carry it with these. It can charge in two different ways. The solar panel here is on the top. I say the supplied cable here charges through the electricity. This USB port here is for charging most Android cell phones, so that will really come in handy. And this red light glows as you charge it. Anyway, it's a wonderful lamp. You can read more about it on my blog at www.jerry1962's blog at weebly.com. Thank you.